Ebusha for my mama akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusha for every day that is passing by. Adeɛ baako a yɛbisa yɛn ho sɛ MPP NDC for na ɔmo nim sɛ ɔmo bɛwini election ana na ɔmo nim because me yɛ sure pass sɛ anka ɔmo nim sɛ ɔmo bɛwini 2024 aba na anka number one nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ a ɔmo kaeɛ ɛbra na ɔmo wɔ opposition anka ɔmo nka yes ɛne deɛ anka ɔmo nka koraa anka they will not even make those media make us say a mistake or say any mistake nsa anka they will not make those pronouncements. Attitude be behavior be ɔmo put it up anka saa behavior no nso they wouldn't have put up those behaviors. Na obi te say Malik Basentale. Malik, you know, sometimes by virtue of what you've done in the past, I say who say, who they are marking where to, a marking where say, wo, asem wo. You have questions to answer. Yes. Obi say Malik Basentale. I say who say, if there should be change in government, who are nipa bakwa, your stewardship, you have to account for it. Even if you account to your own people before leaving, we will still call you to come and clarify things. So, definitely. I said, we had to say, we say Sammy Gyamfi. Sammy Gyamfi him say, if there is change of power, because you have to answer, account, good board. What bank beka say, apparently, there is aboka, all those things, we are not forgetting it. Yeah, try to. The fact say, idea naturally occurring, say fruit or say vegetable or around surroundings obian him say you don't go and plant. Now me can say my budget, my home budget, edgy sika. You are going to account for it. A day of accountability will come. Na sad day ba nipa humbe mmobo wo krom ha baba. Enye easy. Nipa humbe mmobo rough. Nipa humbe mmobo rough because adia nkrofo ye editia MPP pa nsem nkrofo kai and the way they are dealing with MPP for amasa my learned colleague free MPP for any so shobiani so aye clear and the kind of retributions I beba no uju one out to me crowd to me usun ma in advance. Hey, someone told me when NDC won, NDC winning, my appointment. Someone told me, say, look, Malik Bastard was a mistake. I mean, so why a mistake? I say, yeah. Anka, the kind of charisma or crown, Anka, he was also supposed to accept appointment, there be. Anka, I said, oh, yeah, you move at the party level. Anka, a contract be now executive, no, but Uyaji appointment, it is a double-edged sword. You can either succeed or fail. And yes, and when I started seeing say budget, I say akonya no 5,000 Ghana cedis, akonya wo 10,000, akonya be 50,000. Say same way, papa no kai. Guy we are coming to neho. Na suba be yeshi 2029. Na suba yeshi. Na su de be yeshi. Ebusian for still epamucho mumboa na yen raise the face of our production through studio contributions, donations. No, number no was screen so with me boy Kitwa right? Kindly help us as we do it, and we'll be proud. We will be proud of how far we have come as a family. Eda must na miyan debia na mishiramo.
Every 2029, ejuma no mu fancy because myself. Me bobo petition bia no dia ma Dr. Baumia nyame adoma 2029 because crime has no expiry. Nti MPs na omo ye ministers wo Mahama first step omo gi double salary no. He should deal with it. We nye another administration. We ye ono Dr. Bawumia administration. Secondly, Malik Basin Taylor ono we ntimi ungraduate University of Ghana. Ntimi fa esika kodua kwa ususa. Mbeka anansi stories nkyerɛ. Sammy Gyamfi ntimi nton gold mboka. Wobra normal boy a wote new edubiase ene gold mining area enkoton gold nyeska na Sammy Gyamfi mbeka nkyerɛ so aton ye gold waboka. Third, Sam George jitimi ngi esika enka nkyerɛ so de be codes program na only esika saa. Nti sam nkɔfo miɛnsa wi omo da radar ne so baako wɔ hɔ de ne tiri ho troka no. We are still monitoring him. The ebesi bia ne minim si ebenya no. Sam nkɔfo 4 we they will never go scot free. I know doctor. Say doctor ain't taking action for some nkɔfo we ho a make 1 man demonstration because crime has no expiry. Sometimes when Adi biara John Mahama Katia and another Danko Kufuado in his last term, no, and they all exhibited a Japadia document or the best shen and I do in the bush for con a enya no cre, omu manu be any yin, and they almost execute a Japadia document. Now, me the President Mahama dear, no yami mobile. Say boys na omu di nechi omu raise kamano no. Randy Abe, Sammy Gyamfi. Sa boys no mu di nechi no. President Mahama no he will enjoy immunity. Indemnity clause niti. Ye ntimi nye nehwe. Ba mo amaka no. Mo de mo beko jail. No ni nebusuafo, sharaf mo no mo maka no. I enjoy scan. Omo be enjoy scan. Na mo ko jail because me I know Dr. Bawumia. On form honcho. Eswa biya spend water government to India spending Libya or beko jail because untimi mba embe building a gold reserve. Na untimi mbe kanchire se wakokoton gold reserve obra ye hu ade a ode ye. Obra ye hu ade a ode gold reserve na koton ene ode ye. Itu ubebu aketi ubebu ka. Beba voter rage na assembly so no. Professor ye adwuma but nkofo na asem we form ho no it serves them right. Voice with all apologies. Voice of MPP with all apologies. Meaning say your raging. But me. Let the truth to be told. Let the truth be told, eh? Voice, let the truth be told. Nkofo they deserve it. They deserve it because they are nothing but just a voting machinery to the NDC. I was writing in the comment section say, maybe who will be a NDC shirt 1995 Rollins picture woman that's a shame and they. Your people cherish t-shirt, party t-shirt to proper school buildings. They cherish party t-shirt to you can say potable drinking water. That is what they do. You have all the best guys, Almaco school, every voter regional, they are occupying good positions in government sectors, but they are all living lavish life in Accra, leaving their brothers and sisters to wallow in poverty. After all, the NDC are saying that they didn't win the election from voter region, they won from Ashanti region. Because anytime NDC gets more than 25% in the national election from Ashanti region, they win the elections. So it's Ashanti region that determines the elections in Ghana. So now all their focus is on Ashanti region. They will go and lie to them, and they know that their vote in voter region is secured. As President Mahama rightly said, ye pedokono na China media ka digitization. Onyamo money no onya gbelima, he is good to go. Ono here light. Because the moment NDC the light be ko hono no. Ombe TV. Omu ntime nyem omoyere no mu bebre. NDC super the numbers. Ho. I was see a timi light ni free hono. Ye light free hono ma. Excuse my words. enjoyment aka na juni na ye nkonkwa nkonkwa eti voter for no, they deserve what they are getting. They deserve it. The last time honorable Okujeto Ablakwa nkasa n'enum o si on si dan bia o voter region. Afi no wa sha asi a o si dan ho ba watimi atofie e wo East Legon. So on to e kra na o han fie $10,000 a month rent otua e wo East Legon. Me pacho ke voter region na nke obi nyeska o hon fem bia adwuma ma boys ni nya binye. So the votarians, they deserve what they are getting. They are nothing but just voting machinery for the NDC. Because Peter Amewunema who say voter region omunya development. Omunya development. Because the Peter Amewu eye wo ho ni nayi. Na se still mutimi tutiana. Brother, men kind of crunch na your what. You don't need development. All you need is NDC because Rollins they buy. You know they actually a dream see we should worship it. So we are worshiping it. Whatever be the case, it is NDC. They are not actually querying what is happening. To see how share NDC mukrana current executives a woman. I before him a woman. I before him a woman. Votarians are in a woman. Apart from Fifi Kweti. It's time to be corrected, but apart from Fifi Kweti, me why be home? Now so they have decided say the biya yaba ebema NDC. It serves them right. They koso no say koso sa development the enko china because most of them call for na eba no then they are sacking it. It's the voice of NPP. Say when you're comfortable there they bra you beji maybe if you achim da me minimum of a better say be more as say no be achim you. Why? Because on call for any dey udi o mechi a obe kasa
please
udi o mechi a obe kasa sa enkosi hwe ana memra pad na asem ne so Jo Mahama ai when asuma say when akacha ne say Ghana nkwala ntimi afford the sanitary pad Vuni pa kure ya na emri bi atwam chalk mpo ntimi produce. Ntimi provide chalk emma schools register kra ntimi. And then you also be pad. Chop into be pad. Wo emri bi atwam wo se obi obesi dan bia na obesi school bia exercise in mediocrity. And also you over the big push. And then you exercise in mediocrity go. Obi a touch lives of individual Ghanaians. The catch me said free education